heading to go snowmobiling. In the Maroon Bells area of Aspen, Colorado, driving there, it was awesome. Haven't driven in the snow for a long time. Once we got there, the people were friendly, professional. They had some food and hot chocolate for us as we were waiting for them to get our snowmobiles ready. We had time for some fun selfies and to get a little crazy. Once we are ready, took some photos and took to the trails. It was unbelievable they even had a little cabin set up. So we could have drinks, sandwiches, hamburgers cooked on the grill right in front of us. Some of the best we had. I sent the drone up to get us some footage of the beauty that surrounded us that we couldn't see at eye level. Take a look and decide for yourself. Christmas in Aspen, one of my most favorite places. To join us next time, don't forget to subscribe and like.